Welcome to the first step in our three-part meditation series designed to help you heal, grow, and thrive. Each video in this series builds upon the last, guiding you through a journey of emotional release, self-confidence, and positive connection. Today's focus is on letting go of toxic energy, whether it's negativity, stress, or emotional weight holding you back. By releasing what no longer serves you, you create a space for peace, clarity, and renewal. Find a quiet, comfortable space, settle in, and we'll begin this journey to reclaim your inner calm. Let's begin. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded in this moment. Let's take a few more deep breaths together. Inhale deeply, drawing in calm, fresh energy. Hold it. And exhale, slowly releasing tension and stress. And one more time. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs. Little more. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly. Very good. As you breathe, notice how your body begins to relax. With every inhale, invite peace into your body. With every exhale, let go of any heaviness or toxic thoughts. Feel your shoulders soften, your jaw relax, and your mind quiet. Now I'd like you to imagine yourself standing in front of a beautiful flowing river. This river is endless, gentle, and serene, carrying away anything you're ready to release. Picture yourself holding a small bag filled with the emotional or mental weight you no longer want to carry. Stress, doubt, resentment, fear. Take a moment to feel the weight of this bag in your hands, knowing it's time to let it go. And now, with a deep breath, release the bag into the river and watch as the current carries it far away, shrinking into the distance until it disappears completely. Notice how light and free you feel without it. Breathe in this freedom and let the river continue to flow effortlessly. Now, silently or aloud, repeat the following affirmations. We'll pause briefly after each one. Feel these words resonate within you, anchoring your sense of peace and clarity. I release all that no longer serves me. My heart is light and my spirit is free. I let go of stress, negativity, and fear with ease. Peace flows through me like a gentle river. I am open to new beginnings and endless possibilities. Okay, now take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a sense of gratitude for this moment of release. You've taken an important step toward reclaiming your peace and creating space for positivity in your life. This is just the beginning of our three-part journey. In the next video, we'll focus on healing emotional wounds and restoring confidence, helping you continue to grow and thrive. I invite you to join me there as we take the next step together. Thank you for allowing yourself this time to let go. Carry this sense of lightness with you throughout your day, and remember, you have the power to release and renew anytime you need to.